Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds LG TONE Free using your phone. And basically we have a few options how to charge it. The first one is to use a cable, and all you need to have for this just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and at the back side of the charging case we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable, the second one, right at this port. On the front side we see this LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. Now, the second option is to use reverse wireless charging, because this earbuds support wireless charging. And if your phone supports this technology, you can enable it in the application. So we have battery share, need to enable it. In the settings, I mean, not the application, and you just put your earbuds at your phone, and right here, as you can see, we have the same LED light, so it also works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.